What if I told you that a single manufacturing plant saved $4.5 million annually by implementing advanced maintenance strategies? This isn't a fantasy, it's the power of modern maintenance management in action. Organizations today grapple with aging assets, rising maintenance costs, and unexpected equipment failures that cripple production schedules. Many facilities operate in a reactive mode, constantly putting out fires instead of preventing them. This approach leads to excessive downtime, safety risks, and budget overruns that affect the bottom line. Maintenance managers and supervisors often feel trapped in a cycle of emergency repairs and resource constraints. They struggle to justify preventive maintenance budgets, face difficulty implementing reliability programs, and battle with outdated maintenance practices that drain both time and resources. This certification course revolutionizes maintenance management approaches by teaching advanced strategies and modern techniques. From reliability-centered maintenance to predictive technologies, participants learn to transform their maintenance operations from reactive to proactive. Organizations implementing these advanced maintenance principles report up to 40% reduction in maintenance costs and significant improvements in equipment reliability. Emergency repairs decrease dramatically, while asset life expectancy increases. The structured approach creates a more predictable and manageable maintenance environment. For maintenance professionals, this certification provides the tools to evolve from repair coordinators to strategic asset managers. Career opportunities expand as they develop skills in maintenance optimization and reliability improvement. Teams become more proactive and motivated as they see the positive results of their improved practices. Don't let reactive maintenance drain your resources. Join forward-thinking maintenance professionals who are revolutionizing industrial maintenance. Enroll now to master advanced maintenance management. Transform your maintenance operation from a cost center to a value creator.